Welcome back. I've been waiting for you. Welcome back. It's that time where I use my shaky hand and polish a turd. This time around, we're going to be doing a 1971 SL350. And I think what we're probably going to do today is tear as much off as possible and stuff it all on that clean shelf that I made. This is not a CB or a CL, it's an SL. And from what I can tell from the internet, it's the same basic bike except some taller stuff here and back here and maybe a few other things. The bike seems to be in pretty good working order, except it's missing side covers and air boxes or air filters. It's got the usual air conditioned seats and tail light delete and the usual kind of mystery stuff happening here and there. I did do a couple test spots to see. It looks like she's probably going to clean up pretty well. So I think what I'm going to do is try to just do this video a little different than the others and maybe do some of the fast motion work like that, and then we'll just try to bust this video out in a few minutes. Make this series not the one with the hour-long videos, but maybe a couple 20-minute videos or so, and maybe a little more of my handwork. So what we'll probably start with is we'll probably take the tank off, and then the seat and back fender, front fender, and probably the exhaust pipes. And we'll try to just do that all like in 10 seconds. Let's see if we can make this work. The original paint was that candy yellow. It's kind of pretty. tricky with the carbs. They seem to work pretty well and not be too full of crap. But best of all, everything looks like it's all there. first thing that we found so far was this little cam. I don't even know what this is called. It sits next to the chain roller ball thing that the cam chain rolls on. Anyways, we found that guy. There's two, there's one on each side of that cam chain roller, and we found two of them. I'm sorry, I found one of them down in the oil plug when I pulled that out. So that's a little discerning, but maybe there was extras. Thanks for sticking around for episode 2 on the 71 SL350. Got a lot of stuff taken off, and the next few episodes we'll be cleaning it all up and taking off some of the cancer and painting it and putting it all back on. Basically, there's going to be a lot of stuff happening. I'm going to try to condense it all down and make it more exciting and talk a little less. Sorry about all the butt shots and horrible footage. Kind of learning how to do the cameraman stuff. The main thing I'm trying to do is just get my projects done and kind of document them in case you're like me and you get stuck somewhere and you have this project and you need that little piece of information. Hopefully you can just fast forward until you find it, or maybe enjoy the show at the same time. Next episode will probably be coming out sometime in the next few weeks. So come on back and I'll see you then. See you later.